Hello friends, in this video, I'm going to do a full detailed step-by-step walkthrough and show you exactly how to buy the watch on the Sylvi website. First of all, open Google Chrome in your mobile phone. Type sylvi.in into the address bar, or click on the website URL which is provided in the description. The Sylvi homepage is shown when browsing a website, where you can see various types of watches. For observing the entire collection of the watch, please click the View All box. Choose the appropriate watch for you after viewing the catalog. We will choose and purchase a watch for your reference. As a result, please follow the procedures to obtain your desired watch. You can see we are on the product page. There are a few images of the watch which help to clear your concern about the watch. You can slide the photos for a detailed view. If you want to check cash on delivery is available or not in your location, please enter your PIN code in the text box, and also you can get to know the estimated delivery time of your parcel. You can view what is on the offer for that model right now. Here you can see the descriptions and specifications for further information about the product. In addition, you can get to know about the services and warranty instructions, which we provide after delivering the product. After that, click on the Buy Now button for the order confirmation process. Then you have to fill in some of your information. First, fill up the mail ID. Please click here for the new collections and offers. The next step is to enter the shipping address. You must include your country, your name, and, most importantly, your address, such as your house number or apartment number. Also fill in the landmark and your city. Then select Federated State and enter your regional PIN code. The last is to enter your mobile number. After that, you will see two options on the screen. Click here to save information for next time. And for getting WhatsApp and SMS updates, click here to enter your WhatsApp number. Then click Continue Shipping to go to the shipping page. A discount box is displayed. You can apply the coupon code to get a discount. If you are the first customer, you can apply the My First code for an instant discount of 5%. Now we are turning to the shipping method. To take advantage of free delivery, choose the standard method, which requires you to prepaid your order. There is no need to pay an extra amount. Click here to order cash on delivery. However, this method requires you to pay according to your PIN code. Here we have selected cash payment on the order, which is the second option on this page. Then click to continue payment. Then you need to review the details provided in the previous step. If you would like to change your billing address, please click here. Otherwise, click here for the same address as the shipping address. Finally, click here for a complete order. When you place an order, we will send you the details of your order by email and WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the whole video. Please like our channel and subscribe for more videos. Have a good day.